everyone. Welcome back to Kirktoristory. We're currently sailing across the Atlantic on Sky Princess. And on this cruise, we set ourselves a fun little challenge.
That's right. We wanted to see how much we could drink without paying for a drink package, or really, without paying for a drink at all.
And let's just say, well, we did not go thirsty. First off, because we're elite with Princess Cruises, we get this lovely mini bar set up. We have a refrigerator. When you are at an elite status, you do get some of your beer, some pop. What else we have? Water included, along also with some mini bottles. Again, we're on the Sky Princess, so they are still giving out these mini bottles. And this bottle here is actually something that we received on a different ship. And we were allowed to bring one bottle of 750 milliliters with us. And so that means we start the cruise with 18 drinks. 10 of them are alcoholic. That's not a bad way to begin, right?
Yeah. And because we booked a mini suite, we also got a welcome glass of champagne.
Yes. And we get that when we arrive. So cheers to mini suites and to our to our status perks. Hey Kirk, what's that?
I got a free drink at Effie because it's my birthday.
Aw, happy birthday. And another great way to score free drinks, game shows. So we played music trivia twice and we actually won both times.
And what did you win?
Not just bragging rights, but a full bottle of champagne each time. We won another bottle of champagne on the second night.
Yay!
Now, there were also other games like the yes-no game and the marriage match game where winners get even more champagne.
I guess there's really nothing left to say except... There you go. Nice job, dude. Well, you're breaking my record. Scott, there you go. Congratulations.
But we didn't get picked this time. But next time, though. Then there's the captain's welcome party where they do the classic champagne waterfall. So we each had a couple of glasses here because, you know, we have to stay hydrated.
Also, if you're platinum or elite, there's a separate welcome reception where we could order whatever drinks we wanted for free. I had 4 gin and tonics, I think.
Yes, and
The
I
last time.
had 4 red wines, and the people we were with, they had 4 drinks each as well. So yeah, it's totally worth showing up. Okay, and we got invited to another reception where we will be getting free champagne. Shopping events are a hidden gem for free drinks. The Effie jewelry store had multiple champagne receptions, plus a rum punch party. Yum. Now we're at a collector event. Thanks. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you very much.
And don't forget the art auctions. Even if you don't buy anything, you get a free sparkling wine just for showing up.
That's right. And I do want to point out that even under our door today, here is another encore auction where they serve bubbly and an Effie champagne. So there's events all the time. Yay! So this is at the Effie store. So there were also liquor tasting events.
Mr. Swackhammer, are you in? Are you in for this as well? Yeah.
It's where we sampled different spirits completely free. Do you remember what we had there?
The last one, I believe, was vodka.
And gin.
And gin. I
Yeah.
didn't like their gin, though. It was
Terrible.
It was horrible. So even though it was free, it wasn't worth drinking. Another good thing is, another perk of being elite is that we get a complimentary wine tasting.
Cedar, leather, nuts, licorice, mushrooms, wet forest, stony note, correct?
So we get to try 5 different types of wines, and even though the pours are just samples, but 5 samples is enough to get you less thirsty.
It's a nice way to put it. This is Junior from Zimbabwe.
Junior from Zimbabwe.
And he is definitely looking after us, and he brought us a glass of wine, which is really sweet. A Cabernet Sauvignon from Napa Valley.
That's the famous Cabernet Sauvignon from Napa Valley, 2021 vintage, made by the Wagner family.
So let's recap. Between the mini bar, the welcome drinks, the game show winnings, the captain's party, the elite receptions, the shopping events, the liquor tastings, art auctions, and wine tastings, I think we drank a lot. And when you're on a princess cruise, you will get the princess patter. Everything is totally listed for you day by day. And there's another opportunity, champagne golf putting. So you can get free champagne. And then there's also over here, complimentary liquor tasting at 7 o'clock.
And guess how much we actually spent on drinks during our 15-day cruise?
I wonder. Yep, 1 drink each. That's it. That's all we paid for. And it's just because we felt like treating ourselves for something different. Otherwise, we could have easily gone the whole cruise without paying a dime. So if you ever wonder if you need the drink package, you know there are plenty of ways to enjoy drinks on a cruise for free.
And if you found this helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and let us know in the comments what your best cruise freebie hack is. Cheers.
Cheers. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.